Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix or repair the blue screen problem of the computer in a very simple way step by step. There are several possible causes of blue screen problems in computer. What could be the reason? To fix this problem you need to turn off the computer first. First of all, the problem may be due to RAM, it may be due to blue screen problem. Another reason could be a bad hard disk. Another reason may be that the blue screen problem is showing due to some problem with the motherboard. In most cases blue screen problems are due to RAM problems. So I will check the RAM first. To check the RAM first I will remove the RAM from the slot. After opening the RAM from the slot, clean the RAM well with a rubber as I am cleaning. After cleaning the RAM with rubber, put the RAM in the same way as you open the RAM. The way I am installing RAM, you also follow me and put the RAM in the RAM slot. Once the RAM slot is installed, turn on the computer, see if the blue screen problem is showing. If the same problem is showing, try changing the RAM. After installing the new RAM, turn on the computer and see that the PC will open without any problem. In most cases, the blue screen problem is caused by the RAM. Even if new RAM is installed, the problem is being shown, then the problem is from hard disk or motherboard, but most of the RAM is the problem. You can try to change the RAM slot. Sometimes the problem is from the motherboard. Even if you can't solve the problem, call a computer hardware repair engineer nearby and fix the problem. I had a problem with RAM, so I made a new change to RAM, and you first clean the RAM with eraser and change the slot and start the PC. I think clearing the RAM would have fixed the blue screen problem. After checking everything like hard disk, RAM, motherboard, you turn on the computer. Another reason could be a system virus. Format the system and see if the problem is solved. If the computer is still the same problem, be sure to visit a computer expert or a nearby computer repair shop. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.